Okay, starting with the lobes, we have the frontal lobe, which is here, and then the parietal lobe, and the temporal lobe, and the occipital lobe. Okay, now the gyrus is an elevated ridge of tissue. Here are the individual gyruses here. And then the sulcus is a shallow groove that separates each gyrus, right here. Right here is the longitudinal fissure. The longitudinal fissure right here separates the left and right cerebral hemispheres. The lateral sulcus would be right here, the lateral sulcus, and that separates the temporal lobe from the parietal lobe. Okay, and then here is the cerebellum right here. Here are the pons, the medulla oblongata, and right here we've got the olfactory bulbs and the olfactory tract. Then we have the optic nerves here, and the optic chiasm in the middle. The cerebral peduncles over here would be a cerebral peduncle here, and over here would be a cerebral, in here would be a cerebral peduncle as well. And then the pituitary gland is here. Now going to the cranial nerves, we've got the, in here would be the oculomotor nerve. Over here would be the trochlear nerve. Here is the trigeminal nerve. And the abducens nerve is right here. And then going to the midbrain area. Okay, so in the midbrain area here we have the corpora quadrigemina. Right here are the left and right superior colliculi. Here are the left and right inferior colliculi. And then right in here is the pineal body. Okay, now for the sagittal section of the brain, right here we have the cerebrum. And then right here we have the corpus callosum. Right here is the fornix. Right here is the lateral ventricle in here. The intermediate mass of the thalamus is right here. The cerebral peduncle is down here. The pons is right here. The medulla oblongata is right here. The fourth ventricle is in here. The corpora quadrigemina is right here, and that is the superior and inferior caniculi. And the cerebellum is right here, and in here is the arbor vitae. The arbor vitae is the white matter of the cerebellum, and it brings sensory and motor function to and from the cerebellum. And then the pineal body of that is on a different cut here. And right here is the pineal body.